Hi there, Natalie McCasey from Buxton Real Estate, and welcome to 6 Nightingale Street, Balaclava. Designed by multi-award-winning Rothy Lohmann, this sleek and sophisticated town residence is as impressive as it is functional. With a commanding street presence set along one of Balaclava's most popular streets, this one, ladies and gentlemen, I know you are all going to love. Let's go and check it out. My name is Natalie McCasey, and together with Matthew Young, we look forward to welcoming you to one of our next open for inspections.